189 species in genus Disa. The Disa orchid, a South African gem. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm fascinated by the Disa genus of orchids. These captivating plants, primarily native to South Africa, boast a diverse array of forms and colors that make them a favorite among orchid enthusiasts and botanists alike. A diverse genus. The Disa genus is a member of the Orchidaceae family, comprising over 180 recognized species. While most Disa species are terrestrial, growing in soil, some are epiphytic, growing on trees or rocks. This diversity in habitat is mirrored in the variety of their floral displays. Some species, like the iconic Disa uniflora, produce large, vibrant red flowers, while others, like Disa sagittalis, have smaller, more delicate blooms. This incredible diversity is a testament to the genus's adaptability and evolutionary success. Disa species. Here are Disa uniflora, often called the pride of Table Mountain. This species is renowned for its striking red flowers and is a popular choice for cultivation. Disa cardinalis. This species features bright red flowers with a distinctive yellow lip, making it a sought-after addition to orchid collections. Disa crassicornis. Known for its long, spur-like petals, this species attracts pollinators with its unique floral structure. Disa racemosa. This species produces a tall inflorescence with multiple pink to purple flowers, creating a beautiful display. Disa sagittalis. This species has smaller, hooded flowers that come in various colors, including white, pink, and purple. Disa tripetaloides. This species is easily recognizable by its three prominent petals, which can be pink, purple, or white. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The appeal of Disa orchids. The allure of Disa orchids lies not only in their beauty, but also in the challenges they present to cultivators. Many Disa species require specific environmental conditions to thrive, making them a rewarding pursuit for dedicated orchid growers. The intricate pollination mechanisms of some Disa species, often involving specific insect or bird pollinators, further add to their fascination. Conservation efforts. Unfortunately, habitat loss and overcollection threaten several Disa species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique orchids and their fragile ecosystems. These efforts include habitat restoration, propagation programs, and raising public awareness about the importance of orchid conservation. My personal connection. I find Disa orchids captivating due to their unique beauty and the challenges they present in cultivation. Their diversity in form and color is a testament to the wonders of nature, and their resilience in the face of environmental pressures is inspiring. I believe that appreciating and conserving these botanical treasures is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and preserving our natural heritage. Looking ahead, as an admirer of Disa orchids, I am eager to see continued research and conservation efforts focused on this remarkable genus. I believe that by understanding and protecting these orchids, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy their beauty and ecological significance.